welcome back, newbie queuers. Today is the day we got the smoker rolling. I got it up to about 250-ish. We're getting ready to throw this sucker on. I am making something today that I have tried. I'm not gonna lie, I failed a little bit on butterflying it. What I did was I took a brisket, it's just the brisket flat, not the whole brisket, and I wanted to butterfly it and then lay it open, rub some mustard on. Then we put in some salt and pepper garlic seasoning on the inside. Excuse me, there's a plane. Hey plane. Plane, I'm waiting. I'm trying to make a video. Anyway, so we put the salt and pepper in there on top of the mustard, and then I put some green peppers, some onion, some mozzarella cheese, and some like American yellow cheese or whatever you want to call it. Put that all in there, and then I rolled the brisket up into a roll. So we're basically making a brisket roll, and then we're gonna put it on the smoker. So I messed up when I butterflied it, trying to do a big piece of meat like that with one hand. It just didn't work very well for me, so it's my fault. It kind of messed it up a little bit, but I think it'll be fine. We're gonna try it. This is a new thing for me. I've never tried to do this. I've seen some other people do it with different types of meat, but never with a brisket. So anyway, we rolled it up. I covered it with mustard. We put some I think it's Pit Boss seasoning, Pit Boss Texas brisket seasoning on top of it, and now we're gonna throw it on the smoker. So anyway, hopefully this is gonna be good. So let's get the sucker going. All right, she's there. We got her to 200. So, well, actually, it still says 199. Look at that. It still says 199, but it's going off. I think it's close enough. We got her to 200, and let's pull this bad boy off. We're gonna slap her right there. All right, guys. So let's we're gonna cut into this bad boy here real quick. We're gonna cut it right down the center, and then I'm gonna put it back in the some tin foil and put it back in here so that way it stays warm for dinner tonight. Let's get her right down the middle here. Oh man, that's so nice and tender. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look how good that looks here. Oh man, look at that. Look how good that looks. Oh man, I'm gonna slice that puppy up, and that is dinner tonight. Alright, I'm gonna get a few shots and pictures of this bad boy, and we're gonna put her back in some aluminum foil and try to keep it warm. Alright guys, that is it for me. That is it for this episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. That's it. I'm going to go take this inside, wait for my wife to get home. We're going to cut this sucker up, make a little side dish, and then we're going to eat this sucker for dinner. Because, oh, excuse me, it looks phenomenal. I got to say, this was a little bit different. I don't know. I'm hoping it tastes good. It looks like it's going to taste good. I mean, you've seen it. It looks good, right? But that's it for us. Smoker shut off. Just gonna take this bad boy inside, and that's it, man. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. See you guys.